Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT for dropshipping using a free strategy. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Next, ask the ChatGPT to find a winning products by typing a prompt like this. Give me a trending dropshipping product ideas for 2026. Then after that, the chat GPT, you can use it to create a product descriptions. You can add copies and titles by providing a product detail. You can also ask the chat GPT to generate a marketing idea such as the TikTok video scripts, Facebook ad captions, or SEO keywords. And after that, use ChatGPT to help you build your store content, including the product pages, about us page, or the FAQ. You can also ask for a free marketing strategy, like create a TikTok marketing plan for the product. And finally, apply everything to your store using platforms like Shopify and start promoting your products. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.